This video shows you how to install the Netatmo Smart Smoke Alarm. You can install it yourself. No expert knowledge is required. For the installation, you will need a private Wi-Fi network, a smartphone or tablet. The Smart Smoke Alarm will detect smoke and will sound even if the Wi-Fi isn't configured. However, you will need Wi-Fi to receive smartphone alerts when you are away. Be sure to have with you all the elements included in the pack: the Smart Smoke Alarm, the mount, 2 screws and 2 anchors, the user guide, as well as a Phillips screwdriver, a pencil, a drill, a step ladder. Before installing the Smart Smoke Alarm, read the safety information detailed in the user guide provided in the pack. Installing one Smart Smoke Alarm in every bedroom, children's room and hallway is highly recommended. For maximum protection, you should also install some in the living room, attic and basement. Pick a spot on the ceiling on which you would like to install the Smart Smoke Alarm. It should be installed at least 20 inches or 50 centimeters away from the corner of the wall. Check your smartphone to make sure you have Wi-Fi reception where you have chosen to install the device. If you do not, try to move your Wi-Fi router closer. Place the mount in the relevant position, then mark the 2 fixing holes with a pencil. Drill the 2 holes. Insert 1 anchor in each of the 2 holes. Then insert and tighten the 2 screws, leaving a 2 mm or 0.08 inch gap below the heads. Align the holes of the mount with the screws on the ceiling. Slide the mount to the right. Turn the mount counterclockwise to the marked line. Finish tightening the 2 screws in order to secure the mount. Install the Smart Smoke Alarm on the mount by aligning the marks on it with the Smart Smoke Alarm. Now turn it clockwise in order to lock the assembly. The Smart Smoke Alarm's LEDs will light up to indicate that the device is working correctly. Download the NETATMO security app, available for free on the App Store and Google Play Store. Create a NETATMO account or log in to an existing one. Follow the instructions on the screen to pair your smartphone with your Smart Smoke Alarm. Enjoy a safer home.